Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll address your questions about how to earn stars in Among Us and whether it's possible to do so. First, it's worth noting that whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the process is the same. To begin, open the Play Store or App Store. On the homepage, search for Among Us. From the search results, click on the Among Us icon, which should be the first result. This will take you to the official Among Us page on the store. By scrolling down, you can access various details about the game. To download the game, simply click the Install button. Once installed, open the game, and you'll be directed to the home screen, where you can customize various settings to your preference. If your main concern is earning stars in Among Us, navigate to the Shop section. Unlike other games that offer missions or tasks for rewards, Among Us does not follow this structure. Stars can only be obtained by purchasing them with real money. Select the desired star pack, complete the payment process, and the stars will be credited to your account. As of the time of recording this video, there is no way to earn stars in Among Us through gameplay. They can only be acquired by making real money purchases. I created this video to provide clarity on this matter. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials.